Hello everyone, welcome all. Today we will going to discuss about the operation of the Satec MFM multifunctional meter, which is a very efficient and versatile MFM meter today available. So let's get started. These are our VCB panels. Basically these are dual feeders for running 455 kilowatt motor at 6.6 kV voltage. And this is our Satec MFM multifunctional meter. Let me rotate this. You are seeing here the line to line voltage, which is showing 6.9 kilovolts. Let me scroll down to the phase voltage, that is line to neutral voltage. And scrolling down, you will see the current per phase that is the load current. And these are, let me focus a little, and you will able to see the apparent power and the power factor, and you are seeing the active power, that is 276, in which our motor is currently running. And this is the load bar graph where it's showing that our motor is running at 60% load. And this is the frequency 50 Hertz and the kVr, and you are seeing the voltage unbalance. This is showing 0, and this is the current unbalance, which is currently 3%. And let's jump to the energy section, energy counters. We are seeing the active energy import, I for the import, and this is the reactive energy import. And scrolling down, we will get the apparent energy, and this is active energy export, which is 0, and the reactive energy export. Now we will jump to the harmonic section, where we will see the total harmonic distortion, that is this THD. You are showing total harmonic distortion, and we will see the harmonics, high order harmonics. Basically this MFM meter is able to show you the 39th order harmonics, and which is generally 0. And let me show you the 3rd, 5th, and you can see here this is the 39th, and this is 5th order harmonics. Let me zoom it more, you will be able to see clearly. Let's jump to the minimum and maximum parameter that the feeder has gone to, and the MFM has recorded that. You are able to see this is the 9.1 kilovolt and 206 and 7 amps, and that was basically a brief description of MFM meter, how you gonna see the electrical parameters. Hope this